So we have a frustum of a pyramid consists of square base of length 10 centimeter. That means the base of this pyramid is 10 centimeter, a square base, and a top square of 7 centimeter. So that means the top square is 7 centimeter. So remember, as here is 10, here too will be 10. The invisible side here too will be 10. The other side here too will be 10, because for a square all the sides are equal. Also, here will be 7, here will be 7, here will also be 7. So like that. So because it's a square, so we have a bigger square and a smaller square. Now if we have a section through the vertex of the complete pyramid, so we have this shape here, like this triangle. So because if I complete this pyramid now, it should be something like this. This will join, but I did not complete it now. So if I complete it, it should be like this. This is a complete pyramid, but now the base is square, so we have just the frustum. The frustum means it's not complete, so we only have the halfway. So now if we now have a section through the vertex of the complete pyramid, so with this triangle now, you will notice now that if I complete it, for example, it should look like this. So you can easily see a complete triangle like that. So let's say it's that triangle that I have here. So now the top, the base square is 10 centimeter, while the top is 7 centimeter. Now this line I've divided into two equal parts. That means here will be 5 centimeter, then the other side here too is also 5 centimeter, like that. But if from here to here, see the dotted line here is 7. So that means if we divide 7 into two equal parts, here too will be 3.5, as in this line here. So it's 7 centimeter. If you divide it into two, 3.5, 3.5. So likewise this one 10, if you divide it into two, it will be 5. So because we have 5, so and from here to here is 3.5. So and total length from here to here is 5. So just say 5 minus 3.5. So you know the remaining portion of the length. So 5 minus 3.5. So you have 1.5 here. That means this small portion is 1.5. So it's the portion you see here. That means this place is 1.5. So and in the question, the height of the frustum is given as 6. So height of frustum is here 6. So see the height there, 6. So this triangle, this red triangle here now is a right angle triangle. So according to the question, the height is given as 6, which is this place. So we need to know this place from here to here, like this. And that is the portion you see in this place. So that means we will use right angle Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we want to find this hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square equals opposite square plus adjacent square. So let's call the hypotenuse y. So that means we have y square is equals to c square plus 1.5 square. So y square is equals to c square is 36 plus 1.5 square is 2.25. So y square is equals to 36 plus 2.25. So that's 38.25. So y is equals to square root of 38.25. Y is equals to square root of 38.25. So that's 6.18 centimeter. So that means this line here is 6.18 centimeters. So we need that line. So why do we need that line? So you are going to see it now. So because that shape there is a trapezium. So I'll show you now. The shape is a trapezium. So and to find total surface area, so I'll show you what we need. So now this shape you see here is a trapezium. This part, look at this part I circled. You will notice it's like this. So that is a trapezium, and you have a height there. So and for a trapezium, if here is A and here is B and here is the height, let's call it L. So we'll have half area of trapezium is half A plus B times L, as in like that. So and we have four of it, four of that shape in a pyramid, a square base pyramid. You will see we have one of it here, two, the other one there, then four. So we have four of it. So if we know one of it, we just multiply it by 4. So now we have used this one. So let's go back to calculation now. So let's find, using area of trapezium, so let's find the area of one side there. So area of the trapezium will be, so let's call it A1. So that will be half brackets, you remember from here to here is 7, so that will be half bracket 7 plus, then here to here is 10, so that is A plus B, so that is 10, then times height, so that is 6 points, we got 6.18, remember. So that is times 6.18. That is this y we got is the height. So that means this is one trapezium. So now you just need to press calculator. So A1 will be half into 17 times 6.18. So multiply 17 times 6.18. That is 105.06 divided by 2. So 105.06 divided by 2. So that is 52.53 centimeter square. So that is area of one trapezium, and we have four of it in a pyramid, a square base pyramid. So that will be 4 times 52.53. So that means A1 now is 4 times 52.53. So that is 210.12 centimeter square. So that's it. So that means that is area of all the trapezium here. That is the 4 trapezium I showed you earlier. So now we have the top as a square and the base as a square. So we need to find the area of those ones too. So area, call the area of the top A2. You know, area of square is length times length. So since one length is 7, so it will be 7 times 7. So A2 is equals to 49 centimeter square. Then A3, so the base square is, each is 10. So that one too will be 10 times 10, because area of a square is length times length. So that will be 100 centimeter square. So that means we've already found all the area of the pyramid. So we need to add everything together now. So adding everything together will give us the total surface area. Now total surface area is equals to 210.12 plus 49 plus 100. So total surface area now, so add everything. 210.12 plus 49 plus 100, so that is 359.12. So approximately 359 centimeter square. Now in the option we have 357, so maybe it's 359. So, and due to approximation of numbers, so we may not actually, it's an approximate value, so rather go for B as correct answer, because it's the closest to 359. So the area is 359 centimeters square. If I do everything with without approximation, so it will start from here. This our right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. So that means if I just say square root of 6 square plus 1.5 square, so that will give me 3 over 2 square root of 17. So if I say times 4 of it, so 2 here 1, 2 here 2, that will give me 6 root 17. 6 root 17. That means this 6.18 in terms of fraction, in short form, that is without approximation, it will give me 6 root 17. So let me walk it through exact and see, so before I conclude. So because if you press 6 root 17, we have and we need 4 of it, 6 root 17. So that's what we will use instead of this 6.18. So let me press the other one too as exact. So half, just want to get exact answer. I have approximate answer already, 6 root 17. So I have okay, I've already multiplied. So let's do that again. 6 square, square root of 6 square plus 1.5 square, that is 3 over 2 root 17. So that means 3 over 2 root 17 will give us this 6.18 approximately. So I want to press everything direct. So I now say half times 3 over 2. So remember, I said this half so that you know when I use it. So half times this one, which is 3 over 2 root 17. So that means this will give us 3 over 4 root 17. So that's what we'll get. That's the correct one. 3 over 4 root 17. So that 3 over 4 root 17 times 17, that is 7 plus 10. So 3 over 4 root 17. 3 over 4 root 17 times 17. So that is 51. So don't worry about what I'm doing now. 51 over 4 root 17. So this result we got here. So I'm trying to show why maybe the answer deviates the final answer, because we have 7, we have 9. So I want to walk through exact answer first. So this 52.53 is this in exact form. 51 over 4 root 17. So that is the exact form. So that exact form times 4, because we have 4 of it. So if you multiply this by 4, so we are going to get 51 root 17. So that means A1 will give us 51 root 17. So if you press 51 root 17, so it will give you this result approximately 210 points, but the decimal is deviating because we are working with exact value. So that's the exact value of this area, 51 root 17 instead of that. And all these ones are exact already. So let me add everything and see what we'll get. 51 root 17 plus 49 plus 100. So this is even 359, approximately still 359.28. That is what the exact result should give. And the exact value is 149 plus 51 root 17. This is the exact value. But due to question and option, so this our answer is even the closest. But if you can't find it, then go with the B because it's the closest to the answer. Due to approximation, they may have approximate more. So the correct answer is 359 centimeters square approximately, or choose B. So like that.